Hi everyone, welcome back to another very short but also very informative YouTube tutorial. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to restore backup from Time Machine on Macbook. So let's begin right away. The very first step is to open the System Preferences app by clicking on the upper left and then click on System Preferences. Also, you can do this by holding Command and Space and search for System Preferences. Once you are in the System Preferences app, click on Time Machine and show Time Machine in menu bar. Afterwards, you may now close the System Preferences and then look for the folder where you want to restore the backup. For example, on the desktop. So what they're going to do is click on the Time Machine button in the menu bar, enter Time Machine, wait for it to load, and then here you may scroll so that you may see the version of the backup that you want. Once you have seen the version, you can just simply click on the file and click on Restore. And then that's it. That's how you can restore backup from Time Machine on MacBook. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.